Hello friends, this is Shazad and you are watching Shazad Tech YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to use contact poster on iOS 17. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video guys. You can firstly make sure that you have updated to the latest version. So just simply tap on settings. Here you can see general and you can appear on the screen about section. Tap on it. Here you can see iOS 17.0.1 is up to date. Go back. Here you can tap the contact or just simply tap on my card. Here you can appear on the screen contact only, and here you can see edit. Just simply tap on edit. Here you can see add photo, and you can appear on the screen photos, memoji, monogram, etc. If you want to add photo, tap on photos. If you want to tap memoji, you can just simply tap on memoji, and here you can select from this. If you want to select more, just simply tap on plus button. Here you can customize your on memoji. Tap on hairstyle. Tap on this, just simply tap on done. Here you can appear on the screen. I am selecting this. Just simply tap on next. If you want to zoom out or zoom in, you just simply use these fingers, and if you want to just simply tap on it. If you want to turn off depth effect, tap on it. If you want to turn on depth effect, tap on this. So just simply tap on done button, and now you can appear on the screen continue. Tap on it. Here you can crop your photo or memoji, or just skip on this, and now you can appear on the screen done button. Tap on it, and now you can appear on the screen context poster is ready. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.